All right. Double action. She's feeling it this time. Unbelievable. Good morning and welcome back to another episode of A Day in the Life of a Tow Truck Driver. It is a beautiful day out today. We're starting off with a jump start. We've been having a boatload of these lately. I don't know what's going on. Oh, and it's a Jeep Wrangler. I hope it's not a 4xe. I've changed the jump box location and organized all that a little better because I figured what's the point of me walking all the way around every time. How you doing?
I'm assuming it's what's wrong with it. I don't know. I hope it's bricked. I mean, it's dead. 100 miles on it.
100 miles, that's it?
Brand spanking new.
But this one, it should start right up. Okay, if you want, you can actually get in and I'll tell you when to start. Go ahead.
Looks like it wouldn't even do this. I mean, it was completely dead.
Do you mind if I take a look at it?
No, please. Maybe it takes a minute.
Alright, unfortunately, as much as I hate to say it, the old JNC 770 just does not have it in her some days. I don't know. I had to go back to the shop and pick up the old Viking. We're gonna see if the Viking plus the JNC makes an inseparable combo, but I don't know, man. Here she is in all of her JNC 770 design glory. All right, they're both connected. 7,000 cranking amps is what it takes to start one of these nowadays. All right, double action. She's feeling it this time. Unbelievable. That's a nice screen. All right, how does the guy auto stop start? Off. Yep. All right. All right, well, that was a success but a fail. I did get it started, however, he did not want to drive it to the dealership. And his Roadside only set it up as a jump start, so I said, you can call us out for a tow later. Look at how beautiful and sunny it is out today. I am just absolutely soaking it in. The truck was a little cleaner yesterday, but I just finished up my lunch, and now we've got a call for a Mercedes Benz GLS or GLC, GLX, GL something. Alrighty, so we are en route to a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLS. I have no clue what is going on with it, but we're gonna figure out together. We've got about a 30-minute drive out there. This is exactly the kind of road I would like to live on if I owned a brand new Mercedes. It's a very nice house. Holy cow, now that's a very nice house. And we're at a Mercedes dealer, okay. Alright, let's go see if we can figure out what we got going on here. Was it you that I dropped off that Brabus G-Wagon to? You look familiar. Yeah?
Yeah. How about coming around right here?
Uh-huh.
And just stop right here, face north.
Okay. running if it's got a coolant leak. Let's take care of this real quick. One. Damage. We're just gonna drive this one up the bed and strap her down. All right. Now that we've got the Mercedes up, let's go ahead and get her dropped off. I'll see you guys when we're there. Alrighty, we have arrived to the Crash Champions. Let's go see where they would like this puppy. Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. 5:02. Ain't that a shame? There's gotta be somebody here to tell me where to drop it.
Does that thing run?
Yeah, it does.
Drive?
Yeah, it just has a coolant leak in front end.
We'll run it up the aisle.
I'll pull it in?
You just unload it and yeah, I'll open the door, we can pull it.
Oh, okay, I appreciate it. That works even better. Come in from this side a little bit. Get all that going. I'm gonna go ahead and do every other strap. The ratchet. Make sure she's really, you know, lubricated. Alright, we'll pick up any excess oil left on the bed. I bet you these puppies, oh yeah. Smooth as butter now. You can do that with a pinky finger. Nice. Boom, boom, in. Wow.
You've entered the car park for your destination.
Supposedly our S-Class is here. At this USPS. Kind of seeing everything but an S-Class. For some reason I'm seeing a lot of male trucks. No female trucks.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
All right. I guess this one's gonna be a GOA. That's the first one I've gotten in a very long time. But if you set up a tow request and I tell you I'm gonna be there in 30 minutes and I'm there in 25 minutes, I was 5 minutes early. You're nowhere to be found and don't answer my phone calls. I mean, that's not very cool.